Tweet eats all natural bird consumables by Penn-Plax. A healthy and nutritious treat for feathered friends made of all natural fruit and vegetable ingredients. Tweetos are a crunchy vegetable treat made with real carrots. This snack is a great source of nutrients for your bird, containing vitamins B1 and B2. Finch fries are made with natural fruit and vegetable corn-puffed ingredients in a French fry design for a perfect hand-fed snack. Crispy tweets are made with real rice that will keep birds entertained and their tummies satisfied. Mighty Beak Tweets are crunchy vegetable treats covered in calcium, including ingredients such as corn, rice, spinach, and beetroot. Pizza Tweets include fruit extracts of orange and strawberry in a calcium mineral treat that helps to clean and trim the bird's beak and claws. Tweety Pops mimic a human's favorite candy with a healthy mix of spinach and beetroot. This delicious puffed rice treat uses vegetable extracts for coloring and is attached to a stick that can be used for gnawing and playing. Corn Puffs are rice flour and corn bites that serve as a great source of nutrition and are the perfect snack to foster fun interactions with birds and small animals. Tweet Eats All Natural Bird Consumables by Penn-Plax are the most fun way to feed your pet.